quick little trading recap. I'm about to go out, so I'm literally gonna just get this done quickly. I was in the mood to do it because I'm not gonna have time to journal it today, so I can quickly watch back tomorrow and go for it then. Year. So basically, it's gonna look a bit messy. I literally haven't been on the charts since about since Friday. So yeah. Where was 9 o'clock here? Okay, so it was CPI. CPI. Yeah, I saw something where like people like not gamble. Well, it's basic. It's just gambling. CPI. Like you put your stop like 30. No, yeah. You put a stop like 30 points above, and then just like that's how you can pass fund is quick apparently. So that's the method, CPI method. So you just do like, so say like it opened here, 30 points would be like here. I mean, you don't really need a stop like if it's just a little funded, and then you just target like a high, some decent liquidity there. Put max contracts on it, and boom, that's funded right there. But I didn't do that. I traded smart, or in my eyes, what was smart. I did kind of rush, not gonna lie, with my wait what? Hang on a second. What is going on? Why can I not see? Oh, because I'm not an MNQ. That's why. Yeah, so anyway, this was the entry I took. I don't know why the hang on. I don't know why it's not showing. Why is it not showing? What's going on? Okay, I don't know why it's not showing the marks, but I entered on a stop. Like I had a stop, so like when price comes back down, you get entered. Here and then year. So obviously CPI happened, and we had SMT at this high right here, and we still have a major SMT with not major SMT, external SMT with this high, if I'm correct. Yeah, this high external SMT. Ignore all them lines. I don't even touch ES apart from looking for SMTs. So I just draw hella lines and then never delete them. I don't know what this is as well. I think this is from the day before. I took another dub on this day, I'm pretty sure. No, I went break even on that day. Anyway. Back into the day. So yeah, obviously we have that high time frame SMT, and we had this SMT here. With the result of news. I can show yes as well. Right here. But looking back at it now, maybe it wasn't the best, because looking at this over here, relative equal highs, I can see why price ended up going higher. But my overall bias right now is bearish. Like, just look at like the higher time frames, you know. Like we got the thing out the accumulation. Looking at this draw here, these relative equal lows here, this liquidity here. Yeah, on the weekly, we're definitely going down next week. There's no way. I thought we'd push lower and possibly take out this, but nah. Anyways, sorry, I haven't even started talking about my trade. So yeah, market. No, sorry, not market. News happened, SMT, and then market opened right here. Market open right here, and then what I was looking for was like a sweep of data highs, which did end up happening, to be fair. I could have maybe got another entry, but I'd already made money on the day. But this would have been my not sell side liquidity, data high, and then this was the draw. And let me mark the true open, because I'll go through that other trade after, because that was also what I was looking at. True open. All right, yeah. So price came up, and then I saw this thing where it's like I get caught in a 1 minute time frame too much, so I was trying to look at a bit more of like the 5 minute, the 15 minute, you know. Yeah, on the 5 minute, obviously we have this which I marked out with the I don't even know what it's called. I don't know. I just saw it on ICT uses this. Like he was using quadrants, and now he uses like eighths. So yeah, I was looking at that, and then of the rejection block. Hit it. Wait, what was the entry? Sorry, I'm trying to think. Yeah, hit this bit of it, the 0. Whatever. The 0.3 whatever. IFEG here. I don't need to mark that. And then yeah, I saw price like it came like this and then started going higher and then started moving down. Obviously, like you can't see it play out, but like as I'm seeing it play out, so I entered on a stop thing at this high. I'm pretty sure it was at this high, and I entered with how much? Actually, I think my stop might have been a bit tighter. No. Yeah, 250. Yeah, I entered with 5 contracts, 250 risk. And then that was pretty much it. I just targeted this 830 low. I guess these are relatively equal. But yeah, this was my draw right here. I didn't want to go for anything too greedy because I'm trying not to do that. Yeah, I even started taking partials, stuff like that. Yeah, I took partials at the true open pretty much. I don't know why I can't see the history of the trade. It's very annoying because I'm trying to show, but it's not working. So yeah, that was pretty much it. Above true open, so I'm bearish. No, I'm bearish, sorry, and we're above true open, so I wanted to see price go lower. Accumulation, manipulation, distribution, like low time, I guess, yeah, low time frame, accumulation, manipulation, distribution, this IFEG, whatever, then the rejection block, like that. And yeah, that was pretty much it. When you win a trade, I feel like the wins don't feel like I don't get affected as much by the wins as the losses. Like I get a win and I'm like, yeah, let's go, I got a win. But I'm not like when I lose, I'm like, damn, you know. And it's like I wanna like over trade, try to win the money back. I don't know. I feel like they just affect you more. But yeah, anyway, second entry. Yeah, we sweep data highs. Actually, to be fair, maybe not the best entry. I probably would have just entered like something like because obviously price came quite high up, so I probably would have entered just like on a stop, put the thing at the high, literally exact copy of this. Stop at the high, and then target the true open. Slap on like another 5 contracts, probably. Yeah, that's fine. 260, a little bit over. To make 1K. Yeah, decent. That is how my Friday went. Yeah, like and subscribe. You feel me? Bro, next week's gonna be a good week. I've got hella modeling stuff to do, but hopefully I'm gonna try to find time to trade because I'm very close. Well, I've got my free trade. I've got 3 trading days out of 8. I'm up 51. I'm up like 1.6k on the account. and like my trailing drawdown is still 2.5, which is really good. So going into this week, I'm very confident. I have kind of been away from the charts this week and I haven't really been thinking about it. Yeah, I've just been kind of busy. Shit, that's about it, man. I'm enjoying making content. I might make like a video this week talking about some shit. I don't know what. I'm thinking about consistency. Did I just mute my mic? I'm thinking about the topic of consistency. Yeah, I feel like it would be cool to talk about that. Yeah, I need to write a plan for that, but it's looking like a very busy week because it is. I just said I've got to do my modelling and stuff. It's London Fashion Week, so I'm gonna be going to castings every day, probably until Thursday. They run till. If I don't get a job, damn. Yeah, if I don't get a job, then damn. But Friday, I should definitely be able to trade. By then, all of it should be done. So I definitely want to get some content out for sure. For sure. Yeah, that was my trading day. Thank you guys for watching. And I will hopefully be back during the week. So yeah, see ya. Peace.